Hello and welcome to our latest video on the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2023. Dash cams have become an essential accessory for car owners, providing a record of incidents and accidents that can help with insurance claims and legal disputes. With so many options on choose the right dash cam for your needs. That's why we've compiled this list of the top 5 best budget dash cams of 2023. We've done the research and testing, so you don't have to. So, let's get started. Number 5. Apeman C450A. The Apeman C450A is an excellent budget dash cam that offers a lot of features for its price. It has a 1080p Full HD resolution, a 3-inch LCD screen, and a 170-degree wide-angle lens. It also has loop recording, G-sensor, and parking monitoring. One unique feature is that it comes with a suction cup mount and an adhesive mount, giving you more flexibility in how you install it. Number 4. Viofo WR1. The Viofo WR1 is a compact dash cam that won't break the bank. It has a 1080p Full HD resolution, a 160-degree wide-angle lens, and a 1.54-inch LCD screen. It also has loop recording, G-sensor, and parking mode. One of its standout features is its Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to connect to the camera via a mobile app to view footage and adjust settings. Number 3. Crosstour County Route 900. The Crosstour County Route 900 is a versatile dash cam that offers excellent value for money. It has a 1080p Full HD resolution, a 170-degree wide-angle lens, and a 3-inch LCD screen. It also has loop recording, G-sensor, and parking mode. One unique feature is that it has a built-in GPS, which records your location and speed and can be viewed on a map via the included software. Number 2. Vantrue N2 Pro. The Vantrue N2 Pro is a dual-lens dash cam that offers excellent video quality and versatility. It has a front-facing camera with a 1080p Full HD resolution and a rear-facing camera with a 720p HD resolution. It also has a 170-degree wide-angle lens, a 1.5-inch LCD screen, loop recording, G-sensor, and parking mode. One unique feature is that it has an infrared night vision mode, which can capture clear footage in low-light conditions. Number 1. Vava WR1. Our top pick for the best budget dash cam of 2023 is the Vava WR1. It has a 1080p Full HD resolution, a 155-degree wide-angle lens, and a 2.7-inch LCD screen. It also has loop recording, G-sensor, and parking mode. One standout feature is its 360-degree rotating mount, which allows you to easily adjust the camera's angle. It also comes with a built-in battery, so you can continue recording even when your car is turned off. There you have it, our top 5 best budget dash cams of 2023. Each of these dash cams offers excellent value for money and a range of features to suit your needs. Whether you're looking for a basic dash cam or something with more advanced features, there's a dash cam on this list for you. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has helped you make an informed decision when choosing a dash cam. If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.